One deep inside swamps and forests lives a deadly plant called the Venus flytrap. Even though it looks small and harmless, it is actually a powerful hunter. Its leaves work like a trap. The moment a fly touches the tiny sensors inside the plant, the trap snaps shut within seconds. The more the fly struggles, the tighter the trap becomes. After that, the plant slowly digests its prey to absorb nutrients. 2. Now imagine a cockroach entering the same trap. Cockroaches are much stronger and smarter than flies. As soon as the trap closes, the cockroach starts fighting to escape, using its powerful legs. Small cockroaches may get trapped, but bigger ones can sometimes break free. In some cases, they can even damage the plant's trap while escaping. That means the Venus flytrap does not always win against a cockroach. Feeling tired after workouts? Is your muscle recovery slow? Now introduce Advanced Amino Formula, designed to give your body faster recovery and powerful strength. It contains essential amino acids that help boost muscle growth, improve stamina, and reduce fatigue. That means more energy, better performance, and faster results. Grab this special offer now, amazing discounts for a limited time. So why wait? Take your fitness to the next level. Order now, click the link in the description to buy. Hurry up, limited offer, link is in the description. 3. But the most dangerous battle begins when a scorpion appears. A scorpion has a hard armored body, powerful claws, and a venomous stinger. If a venomous stinger. The Venus flytrap tries to catch it, the scorpion can use its strength to escape. Sometimes, it can even tear the trap apart and survive. So in this deadly battle, the fly loses very quickly. The cockroach has a 50-50 chance, but the scorpion usually survives and wins the fight. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crazy battles and amazing facts. Next level. Order now, click the link in the description to buy. Hurry up, limited offer, link is in the description.